Good morning children, how you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed 3.3 story sums. Now I am going to start exercise 3.4 about addition and subtraction. We have to solve both the operations here, both addition and subtraction. Let us start our class. See the first one, exercise 3.4. 3231 plus 4235 minus 6231. Okay, see that. What the operations was given here? Here 1 plus, here you have to add, and here what the answer you will get from that you have to subtract this last number. Yes, na? First write it. 3231 plus 4235. First add those two. First add those two. 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 4, 7. After getting this answer, you have to subtract the next number from this. 7466 minus 6231. 6 minus 1, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 7 minus 6, 1. So 1231. See the next one, children. 4261 minus 3259 plus 2467. See here. 4261 minus 3259. First you have to subtract. Here the symbol what they given for you. First you have to subtract. Yes, na? So subtract it. 1 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So you have to borrow it from the before number. If you borrow from this number, it becomes 6 minus 1, 5. This number becomes 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Okay. Next 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So that 1002 plus 2467. Add it and write. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 7, 9, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 4, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 3469. Okay, see the next one, children. Same, both addition and subtraction you have to do, not one single operation. Okay. See the third one, 5323 minus 2349 plus 1234. Okay, what the symbol first they given for us? These two, subtraction, and then you have to, what the answer you will get from that, you have to add this one. So 5323 minus 2349. 3 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 3 minus 9? No. So you have to borrow from the before number. If you borrow 2 minus 1, 1, this number becomes 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4. Next, 1 minus 4 not possible. So borrow it from the before number. So this becomes 3 minus 1 to 1 plus 10, 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 2 minus 3 not possible. So borrow it from the before number. Now it is 4, 5 minus 1, 4. This number becomes 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2974. See the next. After getting this one, you have to add this number further. 2974 plus 1234. 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 3, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4208. See the fourth one, children. 3777 minus 4767 plus 3003. Children, if you observe here, 3000 minus 4000 was given. It's not possible to subtract directly. So you have to add the number which is on addition other side, this one. So add these two plus first. 3777 plus 3003. 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 7, 3 plus 3, 6. This 6 6,780 minus 4,767. Okay, 0 minus 7, not possible. So borrow it from the before number. If you borrow, it becomes 7. Now it is 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. Like that you have to solve. If you do directly this subtraction, it's not possible to subtract 4,000 from 3,000. So that's why I added the last number was given as plus. First you have to add these two and you have to subtract that answer. You have to subtract it, what the answer you will get it. From that you have to subtract this number. First addition and then do subtraction. See the next one, children. Fifth one. Plus 6,829 minus 323. Okay, first add those to what they given for us. Here direct addition was given, so no need to change the digits or no need to add alternate numbers here. Just add it. 533 plus 6,829. 9 plus 3, 12. Write 2 here and 1 up. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 8, 13, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7,362 minus 323. 2 minus 3. Is it possible, Nana? No. So borrow it from the before number. If you borrow, this becomes 6 minus 1, 5. This number becomes 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0, 7. 7,039. See the next one, children. Sixth one. 5,231 minus 3,233 plus 2,168 plus 2,168. Here 5,000 minus 3,000 possible only. So first subtract. 5,231 minus 3,233. Okay, 1 minus 3. Is it possible to subtract 1 minus 3? No. So not possible. So borrow it from the before number. If you borrow 3 minus 1, 2, it becomes 10 plus 11, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 3, not possible. So again you have to borrow from the before number. Now it is 2 minus 1, 1. This number becomes 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 1 minus 2, not possible. Again borrow it from the before number. If you borrow 5 minus 1, 4. This becomes 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Next 4 minus 3, 1. This number is added to this number. 1,998 plus 2,168. 8 plus 8, 16. Next 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4,166. See the next one. Seventh one, children. 234 minus 2,345 plus 5,432. Okay, 234 minus 2,345 plus 5,432. Here 200s, 2,000s, not possible to subtract. So add the alternate numbers. That means first number with the last number. 234 plus 5,432. 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 5. 5,666 minus 2,345. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3,321. See the 8th one, 8,888 plus 1,111 minus 3,333. Okay, see that. 8,888 plus 1,111. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9,999 minus 3,333. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. See the next one. 5,234 5,234 minus 3,259 plus 3,031 plus 3,031. See that. 5,234 plus 3,031. Here 5,000 minus 3,000 are positive. 3,259. See here. 4 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 4 minus 1? No. So, borrow it from the before number. If you borrow, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2. This becomes 10 plus 2, 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 2 minus 5, not possible. So, borrow it from the before number. So, it is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 1 minus 2, not possible. So, borrow it from the before number. 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. 1,975 plus 3,031. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Next 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5,006. Next one. 10th one at last one. 6,234 plus 2,121 minus 3,343. Okay. 6,234 plus 2,121. Okay, what is 4 plus 1 children? 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 8,355. So 8,355 minus 3,343. Okay, 8,355 minus 3,343. See that. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 5, 8 minus 3, 5. Like that you can solve. If they given plus and minus both the operations in one sum, you can solve like that. First you have to check the possibility of the subtraction or addition, and then you have to do. Okay children, in the next session we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.